Again, guys, so in this video I want to show you how to install the Docker n8n. So for us to install the Docker n8n, we can check this out. So I've already installed my Docker. So if the Docker is not installed yet, you can um, use this one, but let me check the Docker version of it, because I'm going to use ChatGPT to follow everything up. So this is Docker version. As you can see, this is my Docker version. This is how you can install it. Now we have to check the Docker Compose version, the one we are going to use. So they say the Docker Compose version not found. So for us to install it, we must use this snap install Docker. Okay, snap Docker. So I think I'm going to copy this and install both of them. This is how we are going to install both of it. So like they said, the error resolve, blah blah blah. Let us run the Docker Compose to see what we got. So we are going to feed this error back to ChatGPT, because what we are going to do now is full automation. Okay, we are going to run this thing on full automation. So first thing, they want us to remove the containerized. After removing the containerized, then we have to clean setup Docker. Okay, um, we already installed Docker. This can cause trouble. We are displaying this warning to provide the opportunity to cancel this installation. So Control C, and let's click on enable Docker. So we are done with that one. Docker version. Now this is Docker version. Let us install this one manually. The Docker Compose, we have to install this one manually, and we chmod it. After chmoding the Docker, then we are going to check the version of the Docker. Now we have this version of the Docker, then we can start with the installation. Blim, 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 blim. So after installing this, now we are going to make a directory. So this will be our directory, n8n Docker, and we are going to nano install the compose, and we're going to paste this here. Okay, um now this is the username. I'm going to change it. Okay, I'm going to change this username, and we have this address of your VPS. So like I said, the address of your VPS will be here. We have this alt. Okay, the hosts of your VPS, your IP address of the this thing you are using. How to get my IP address. IP address. Let's go for it. So I'm going to just press Control X. Okay, let me just Control X, Y, and enter. So I'm going to come back to that one. So this is my IP. Where's my IP address? I don't even see my IP address. What the heck is going on? Where is my IP? Opaka will not come for me, sir. So, okay, look for something inet. I think I'm going to check this one later. Maybe this is my IP address. I don't even know, but I think I can check from my I don't know if this is going to clear everything. Okay, I think it clear everything. So let us go for the nano compose. I'm going to get my IP address from these my contabo. So we are going to replace this with your IP address. This is my address, so let me just copy it for now, and I'm just going to delete, if I can delete it. Okay, so let us move this button here. Now your hosts. Oh, so I'm going to ask him, this is my IP address, this is my address. So I want to ask him, this is my address. No. We are doing this thing as a non-techie guy. Okay, so modify my YML. So this one is going to modify our YML. Okay, now this one we are going to change it. So we have completed this one, and the next thing is we are going to delete all this one. Let us go back. We are going to delete all this one. So let us delete it. But don't worry guys, I'm still going to delete everything. So I'm going to actually input my password because I'm going to run anything. So we are going to change this one to admin, and we are going to leave it like that. As for the password, I'm going to use teaching. So I'm going to use teaching 2025. So that will be my password. I'm going to still remove everything. Okay, don't go and be out and be showing your password out there. I'm going to change everything. So I'm going to press Ctrl X and Ctrl Y and click on enter. So after we are done with that one, let us go up back, and then we are finished with this thing. And the next thing is start with Docker compose up. So it's going to pull the n8n and run it for us. Let me see the time. I don't want this video to be long. So almost like 8 minutes. So after this thing, you can now run your workflow. I mean, first thing you have to do is to set up what we call the community node. Okay, you have to set up the community node. I don't know how long it's going to be. Okay, so give me the require community node. Because I know we are going to set something what we call community node. So the Docker is up. Okay, well. So I think the Docker is up right now, and anything else? Let us run it. So I'm going to go with my IP address dot, I think it is 585 or 5 something like that. So go and check your ChatGPT. So we are running this on our IP address. So this is our URL, and let's run it. So boom, I think we haven't forgot our password rights. So your server is configured to use secure blah blah blah. So if you have any issue like this, let us edit it for you. So So the reason is you are using this. The reason is you are using this as a naked link. That is why it's running like that. So let us go for the nano compose, and we ask to input what we call the environment. Okay, and we have to add only this thing to it, the secure cookie first. Okay, so let us get our link out there. So and press and enter. Wow. Okay, let us just tab. So with your dash, no, I think you have to move forward a bit. With your dash and then your code. So you have to click on Control X, Y, and enter. And the next thing is let's just restart the compose Docker. So start ready. Let's see the workflow. And let's just run it again. So boom, as you can see, everything is now running. So you can set up your email. Let me use my normal email for this, and maybe input the strong password, and I'm going to click on next. So this is how you are going to set up everything for yourself, and it shall be well. Let me pause this video for a while. Now here you have to just I'm actually going to remove something here. So click on get started. You don't have to set up everything, and click on skip. So this is it, and this is how you are going to create your workflow. You want to create your workflow, but there's something you have to do is to let us create the first workflow. Like for example, just want to test this out. Let's go for this, and okay, we have the manual trigger which you can use. Let's go for AI agents. Okay, so let's go for these AI agents. I'm just going to check something out. I'm going to click on input trigger. Delete this one, add the chat model. So everything is installed. I don't think you actually need any to install anything again. So everything you need is installed. So thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to be talking about creating some automations, because I don't want to bore you with explaining what it's something do. Maybe you can just, this is AI, the action something, transform data. You can learn that in yourself. But we are here to learn the automation and the workflow. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.